superstars. Thank you for joining me. In this course, we'll be talking about how you can make your social media followers buy palm oil. Okay, so social media is one platform that has so many people from all walks of life, ages, colors, race, and countries in one place with the sole aim of having fun, recreation, and entertainment. Social media was not designed to be a marketplace, be it Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. It was designed to be a place where one can unearth after a hard day's work. But you know what? People realize that they can actually make money while having fun. And that's why gradually people started introducing their business on their social media platforms. And you know what? Lots of people are cashing out big time on these platforms. So many people are making lots of sales on Facebook, Instagram. They are. And here you are with lots of followers on these platforms and not making money. And you've been wondering what's happening. Okay, so in this video, I'll be telling you how you can actually convert your friends and followers to buyers of whatever business it is you're doing, especially palm oil. Okay, my superstars. Okay, I'm your girl Idon Esetinyang. I talk about businesses you can do online and offline to make money. So if you love this kind of content, please subscribe, like, and share this video. And please don't forget to turn on your notification bell for notifications whenever there's a new video. Okay, my superstars. All right, let's delve into today's topic. The first thing you need to do in order to convert your social media followers and friends to buyers is to let them know you. If people don't know you, they can't entrust their money to you. People are very, very careful with who they give their money to. They're very careful with money generally. Statistics have shown that very, very few people will take the risk of entrusting their money to people they don't know. They would rather walk into a physical shop and buy or give their money to someone they have seen physically and take whatever product it is and leave. And statistics have also shown that more people will buy from you if they have seen you somewhere or they know someone who knows you. Okay, so more people tend to buy from you if they've known you through someone or have seen you somewhere. And the largest number of people who will buy from you without knowing you or seeing you before are people who have family and friends. Okay, so it means you have to see how you can draw these people who have not seen you or known you before to become more like family or friends. You have to make people be able to know you. How do you make people know you? You have to keep being visible online. Show up every day on your social media platforms. Okay, my superstars, the same way you open your physical shop, post content on your social media platforms every day. It's not an easy task. I know it is not easy at all, but you have to try it if you must make sales on your social media platforms. And when you do this, the magic will not just happen. You won't post for a week, a month, and expect magic to happen. It will take a gradual process. It will have to transit from knowing to liking you. Yes, people have to get to that level where they like you. You become closer to them. You become like family to them. How do you make people like you? Here's what you do. You keep posting engaging posts. You post educational contents on your page. Things that are related to them. Things that will affect your life positively. It could be a health post that will tell them on how they can take good care of their health, food they shouldn't eat, or you share most of your life experiences. I'm not saying you should tell people about your problem and all that, but educational contents about things you have encountered. Let people get to know the real you gradually. I've seen people share stories of their encounters on the way, or okay, how they went to buy something and they met someone who did this, who did that, and people will like comment and laugh and all of that. Gradually, they will get to like you. When people like you have a closer place in their heart. People will always tend to like have an interest in your post. And gradually you could start introducing posts about your business post and all that. You introduce it gradually. From liking you, people will want to know what you do. Okay, my superstars. And also leave engaging comments on other people's posts. Give them wishes on their birthday, celebrate them on their wins with them, just like family would. Because people tend to give money to people whom they like. If they don't like you, you won't see their money. So post engaging comments. Let people like, laugh, share with you. The same way it was meant to be a social media platform. Make your wall social. Okay, my superstars. From there, people will be drawn to you. They will like you. And from there, they will gradually have this confidence in you. And will like from there, check out what is this person doing? What business is this person doing? Gradually, they will pick interest in you. When you're commenting on people's wall, please leave positive comments that will make people see you on positive light. Don't go and give comments that people will see you like a babalao, please. Leave positive comments that will make people see you in a positive light, and let your reasoning be very logical and positive. Okay, my superstars. And from there, gradually, they will get to trust you, which is the next step. Trust is what makes people empty their pockets for you. It's what makes someone send money to you, someone they have not met before, and go to sleep knowing that you won't just disappear. This trust is not built in a day, it is built over time. I've seen people who have been able to build their followers gradually in a year, in two. So many people you see who have made massive sales did not just blow overnight. They worked, they put in the work, they built their followers, they built their friends through a period of 6 months, 1 year, 2 years before they started making massive sales. So, my superstars, if you must make these sales, go and do the work. I know it's not easy, but there's work to be done. There is work to be done. Okay, my superstars, and from there, when you are able to build this trust is a very big topic which we'll talk on in our next video. When you are able to build this trust, there are things you need to do that will build this trust, which we'll share in our next video. You will realize that gradually you will cash out massively from social media platforms. Okay, my superstars, if there's anything you did not understand in the course of this video, please leave a question in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. Please, if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, like, and share this video. And please don't forget to turn on your notification bell for notifications whenever there's a new video. Okay, my superstars, until our next video, always and always remember that I love you.